asin.
Wati ang manggawas kasi bitsot yun.
Dito ka, yung Cecily?
Bakit?
Yung Cecily daw? Siyang mamod daw?
Hi everyone.
Umalibang ko.
Lahat ng video mo daw na panood ko lahat, nag-like ko. Salamat. Thank you, thank you. Idol mo talaga ako kahit mataba ako. Oh my god, no, it's not here. You can go to my other apps if you like. My life is not so long because it's late night. Sobrang ano kasi yung internet ko eh. My god, no, it's not here. You can go to my other app.
Mano, tutulog ko yung istorya, ma? Ma or wala? Ma. Ang sa gamay pa ko. Ma. 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 Napatulog ko ni mo? Wala.
Lagi na kag-live ko. Hi to my 10 viewers. Hello. Shout out to you guys. Shout out for my 10 viewers watching. I hope you share and like my live for tonight. Ganyan kita kayo lahat ng video mo nila like. Oh, thank you. Mahal for them. Shout out. Can you share my live to everybody, guys? So I have many viewers. So I can make my a comment. Oh my god, Makmak again is farting. It's bad smell.
Kusugod na mukhaon. Kanang kusog mukhaon? Sige nagkuan, sige kang utot.
Really?
Yes, really.
No. Mo ang ganun ko.
Kusugod na mukhaon. Ang kusog mukhaon, sige ka utot.
Oo. Pa-shoutout sa sinong Papa Vic from Salog. Shout out to the father of Makmak. Make a shout out na. If I had to live my life without you. Nag-load ako ng monitor.